Welcome to the Top 5 Teams Apps for Leaders series. It can sometimes be difficult to find ways to encourage teammates to build their professional skills. Through Viva Learning, you can post training and development videos that might be helpful for your teammates to view. Viva Learning can be added to a team or a chat. And similar to Tasks by Planner and To Do, it can also be added as a personal app. Videos range from topics around Microsoft products like Excel to communication and collaboration, and teammates can even geek out over Power Apps. It's important to note that the Viva Learning app partners with LinkedIn Learning for many of the courses offered. If you have your own LinkedIn Learning account, you can access the content through this app. However, if you don't have your own account, there's plenty of Microsoft videos you can access instead. Let's take a look at how to use Viva Learning in Teams. Adding Viva Learning as a personal app is a great way to get started with browsing through content and topics. Click the ellipses on the sidebar and search for Viva Learning. Click the app to open it and use the Add button. Use the What do you want to learn about search bar in the middle of the window to search for specific topics, or use the Pick Your Interest Topics feature, and Viva Learning will suggest videos for you. Scroll down to see videos trending in the organization, as well as courses by interests, providers, and duration. By using this Providers tab, you can ensure that you're viewing Microsoft 365 training or Microsoft Learn training rather than a subscription-based LinkedIn Learning. To use the search bar in the middle, type in your search terms and it'll provide you a list of content that meets those terms. And again, you can identify what type of vendor is providing this training using the course details. To view a course, click on the tile. Then click the play button. You can use the bookmark option to bookmark this for later use, or you can use the share button in order to share with another person in a chat group or on a channel. You can also scroll down to view related courses and more information from those particular vendors. To add Viva Learning to a team or chat, navigate there, and then again click that plus to add a new app. Search for Viva Learning, select it, and if you wish, you can give your tab a unique name so teammates can find it easily. Next, use the Find Courses search bar to search for topics or specific courses you found when you were reviewing them in your personal app that might be helpful for your team to view. You can think of skills like collaboration, or you can also search for topics like Microsoft Teams or specific courses like best practices for collaborating with Microsoft 365. Select the courses. Again, be prepared to locate courses that are specifically just for Microsoft. And once you have a few courses selected, click Save. You can also choose to add or decline posting to the channel about that new tab. Courses will now appear for all teammates under that new tab you created. When a teammate opens the tab, they can view the content right there in the channel. To remove a course from the tab, click the ellipses and then click Unpin. Confirm, and it'll be removed from that tab. Again, when posting courses to a team or a chat, be sensitive to the fact that team members on that team may not have access to LinkedIn Learning. Use the Viva Learning app to provide opportunities for your teammates to learn and grow or develop the necessary work and personal skills they need for success. Have questions? Check out the Microsoft support page for more resources and videos.